See how it's. See the way the water is dark. It's removing all the stains. As you can see, it's removing all the dirt in the dress. And yeah, I put on the community tab the other time, and so many people voted for brown soap, so I'm making brown soap today. I'll just be introducing my ingredients. Guys, bear with me. My cold has come to stay, like it doesn't just want to go, so hence my voice. So that's our water. We have our lye and our water. That's the water I'll be dissolving my lye into. That's my sugar, and that's the water I'm going to be using to dissolve my sugar to make my sugar solution. And this thick thing you're seeing, transparent, is thick. That's my vegetable glycerin, and this other one is my ethanol. I'm not going to be using all of it anyways, just introducing it. And that's our tallow. If you haven't watched that video of where I did tallow, I purified my tallow, go ahead and wash it. That is our tallow. It's so clear, it has no scent, like it's so pure. And I have a measuring cup. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using half a liter of tallow oil. That's 500 mils. I will leave the detail of the measurement down in the description box. It seems as if some people don't know what description box is. After the title here, you will see more. Click on more and it will take you down to the description box where you are going to see the full recipe, the measurements and everything. So I'll just go ahead and dissolve my lye, please. Make sure you add your lye into your water, not the other way around. And make sure to put on your gloves, guys. I won't emphasize. If you have a nose face mask or a nose mask or a safety goggle, just go ahead and wear it. This thing is mad corrosive. If it drops on your body, it burns. Lye is hot when you put it in water. Lye is hot when it touches your skin. I know human body is always kind of moist and the rest. So be extremely careful and do this in a well ventilated area. I hope I'm clear enough. I know my voice is somehow, but I'm struggling to be very, very clear. So make sure you stir your lye, and I'm waiting for my lye to dissolve. So I'll just go ahead and put my sugar into my water so that it dissolves, because this thing takes time. Sugar takes time to dissolve. I don't know why. Yeah, so just go ahead and dissolve your sugar and you set it aside. Next step, because we need to really mix our lye with our oil so that the heat in the lye will cook our soap. Yeah, so set that aside and I'll just go ahead and do the other one. My code is my god, my voice, like I've not been posting because of this voice. But if I keep waiting for the cold to go, or what we call kata, I might never post a video. So I'll just go ahead and add. See, when you're adding a light, gently do it, yeah? Don't be like me. Over sabi will not let me be. So just go ahead, gently put it. When you're putting, just be mixing. Don't be like me. Anyways, go ahead and stir until you have this thick pap-like mixture. Because we need the heat in the lye to cook the soap, we will not overstir, so we can trap the heat. Just make sure to stir so that the oil and the lye solution combines. And after that, you can just go ahead and wrap it into a paper. Guys, this soup, if you know what happened to me, I did this and I was busy with my kids and everything, and I forgot. The thing gelled and it left the gel phase and it became so hard. Guys, it was a struggle. But I didn't want to do another batch because I wanted to show. You might want to do it and it happens like what happens to me and you think it's bad. It's not bad. In as much as your soap had already cooked, even if it is strong or whatever, you can just go ahead, place it on a double boiler and let it melt again. Let it just melt a little bit, then you add your ethanol. Or you break them down into smaller pieces and then you add the ethanol. As you can see, I left mine, it was like it gelled and it became strong. So what I did was I put it on a double boiler for it to like relax a bit, and then I added my ethanol. At this stage I was already very angry and frustrated. I was just like, oh my god. Before I could even think, I'd already started adding my sugar solution. Before I was like, hey, I was supposed to show you how I was adding it. That's it fine. I was adding my sugar solution. I'd already added my my glycerin. If you have the patience, just go ahead and stir, cover. But if you were so frustrated already like me, and you just wanted to skip all that long process of keeping it for it to melt on its own, just put it on the double boiler and let the lumps like dissolve. So that's me. I was taking out the foam that was on it, and as you can see, we still have some lumps that did not dissolve. Like, I just wanted to get this video over and done with. I think I'm going to make a proper video again, showing you the process and telling you everything you need to know about making your own brown soap from the little mistakes I made from mine. You understand? So just go ahead and pour it into any more, and if you're in a haste, you can put it into your fridge for it to harden up. This thing harden up really fast. Like, you don't even have to keep it for up to 24 hours, for up to 12 hours. Like 5 hours, 2 hours, it's already hardened, and you can go ahead and unmold it. So for these things up, you can either wait a little, spray it with ethanol, or you go ahead and spray. As you can see, when you're spraying it, it's like the foams they tend to disappear almost immediately. Just go ahead and spray it, keep it, and wait for it to get hard. And this is what we got. That's our brown soap, our brown transparent or translucent soap. That is it. It came out so beautiful. As you can see the lumps, right? The ones that didn't dissolve. That is it. But anyways, our soap turned out so right and perfect. Oh, I was so happy. I was so happy that finally we were here. So just go ahead and scrape. You can still leave it, yeah, but I was trying to scrape it off for aesthetics, yeah. So that's our soap, and that's the small one we put into the container. I'll just go ahead and unmold it and see how it looks. Guys, I'm so happy. Like, finally, after all the troubles I had to go through, like, our soap still came out right. And yeah, I would have gone ahead and made another batch and show you guys, but I just wanted to like be transparent enough to make you understand that if ever you encounter such problems, like your soap gels and it leaves the gel phase to the other hard phase, like it wants to set, like the setting phase, don't panic. Go ahead, break it down into smaller bits, warm it up a little bit on fire for it to like relax a little bit, and then you go ahead to add your ethanol, add your sugar syrup solution, you add your glycerin, and you will definitely arrive at this. That is the essence of me like leaving it, because if you go ahead and watch other recipes, you see that mine really looks different. And yeah, that's it. So I'm getting my, it's for home consumption, and I really cut them really big. So that's our soap. Can you see? And I'll go ahead and cut one small bit to show you how transparent that soap really looks. You cannot really see the transparency because it's so thick and the rest, but let me go ahead and then I cut small and show you how transparent this is. And from the beginning of the video, you could see how it lathers. Like it cleanses the clothes or anything that you used to wash. It cleanses it so well. See how transparent that looks? Yeah, so that's it. And if you want another video, just let me know now in the comment section, and I'll do a proper video. Thanks for watching, and please do not skip my ads, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.